Prior to implementing Birds within Trust, we had a lot of manual sheets. Of course, like almost every company, they start off with a lot of Excel sheets, a lot of manual work, and it extends over time. And Birds definitely helped us consolidate everything, making it a very quick and smooth process during the reporting time. I'm working together with a team of finance professionals across 4 countries, and I'm responsible for internal and external reporting, audit, and fiscal matters. When I joined Trust, we had a lot of different data sources with regards to financial data in the Dynamics environment, and where Birds definitely helped us out is to get more consistency in the data, to improve the reporting in a very quickly and efficient way, and get our month-end closings to like 4 or 5 days. In my previous experience, I've done some manual extract, transform, and load processes in order to first go from a data from an ERP system to something more coherent. The automated ETL process in Birds definitely gives us a great advantage to skip that step and focus more on the insights which we want to gain from our product. The insights which we have in the various markets are extremely important for us. And the reason for that is, like, we are active as a brand in a lot of countries, but there are a couple of markets where we want to succeed. And that's very important for us to measure on a daily basis to make sure that our international teams are also performing in what we would like them to achieve. The software helps us on a day-to-day basis so we can analyze the results on revenue and profit margin. If something is not working according to plan, we have a very swift way of interacting with the data and knowing which steps we need to take to make sure we hit our targets.